Hello, and welcome to the New Quizzes video primer. My name is Kevin Johnson, and I'm one of the project leads for the transition to New Quizzes, along with my colleague, Dr. Lidya Salim. This video will provide you with a brief overview of what New Quizzes is, go over some exciting new features, and cover next steps. If you've used the Canvas Learning Management System, you may be familiar with its quiz engine, now known as Classic Quizzes. Canvas has been working on the development of a new quiz engine, known as New Quizzes, which will eventually replace the Classic Quizzes functionality currently existing in Canvas. The Classic version of Quizzes continues to be available in Canvas, and it's enabled by default at Ontario Tech. At this time, you have the option to use Classic Quizzes, New Quizzes, or a combination of both. You can distinguish between Classic and New Quizzes on Canvas by looking for the rocket ship icon. The Classic Quizzes rocket is outlined only, while the New Quizzes rocket is filled. Many of the features that were available in Classic Quizzes are still accessible in New Quizzes. You'll still create your quizzes through your Quizzes tab in Canvas like you're used to, and you retain access to all of the basic quiz settings, like reordering and shuffling questions, providing multiple quiz attempts, and differentiated due dates. There are also new quiz moderation options, such as the ability to print quizzes and the option to provide time accommodation for the whole course, rather than quiz by quiz. If you're interested in learning more about how Classic and New Quizzes compare, we encourage you to use this QR code, or the link in the description, to review and bookmark Canvas's regularly updated feature comparison document. As you explore New Quizzes, you'll discover several exciting new features. One of the first things you'll notice is the Build menu, which provides a new interface for building your quizzes. Using the Build menu, you can edit the title and description of your quiz, view your item banks, which are replacing the old question banks, preview the quiz as a student, and of course, build your questions. You'll also notice a new navigation bar on the left side of the page, where you can easily find and access your questions. By clicking the blue plus sign on the Build menu, you'll bring up a submenu where you can select from all of the existing and new question types, access your item banks, and connect questions to stimulus content, including text, images, video, and other file types. Some of the new question types you'll find include Hotspot, which allows you to upload images and have students identify specific areas, Categorization, which asks students to place answers into categories while ignoring distractors, and Ordering, which involves placing items into a specific sequence. Thank you for taking the time to watch this primer. If you're interested in exploring New Quizzes further, please use this QR code or the link in the description to register for one of our upcoming orientation sessions. If you have any questions about New Quizzes, please contact either Lydia or myself using the emails provided on screen and in the description below.